The video opens with a sweeping view of a modern, luxurious showroom nestled in the heart of the city. Its sleek glass facade gleams under the sunlight, reflecting the vibrant energy of the bustling streets outside. The name, Bajaj Avenger 400 Showroom, is prominently displayed on the building, glowing softly in elegant metallic letters, inviting viewers into a world of innovation and style. As the camera transitions indoors, the opulence of the showroom comes to life. Polished marble floors stretch across the spacious interior, their pristine surface shimmering under a blend of warm ambient lighting and focused spotlights. The air is charged with an atmosphere of sophistication and excitement. Visitors walk through the space, their eyes immediately drawn to the centerpiece of the room. At the heart of the showroom, a raised platform commands attention. Resting upon it is the Bajaj Avenger 400, its bold and sleek design illuminated by bright spotlights. The camera pans slowly over the motorcycle, capturing its gleaming metallic finish, aerodynamic contours, and striking features. From the wide, cushioned seat designed for long journeys to the slightly raised handlebars that add to its cruiser appeal, every element of the Avenger 400 exudes elegance and power. The iconic Bajaj logo adorns the large fuel tank, a mark of the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. Behind the motorcycle, a massive illuminated sign proudly declares its name, Bajaj Avenger 400. The bold lettering reflects the essence of the bike itself, a perfect blend of strength, style, and adventure. The showroom offers more than just the Avenger 400. Around the central display, other premium motorcycles are showcased in a meticulously curated arrangement. Each bike is positioned to highlight its unique design while complementing the star attraction. Small screens on the walls play dynamic videos of the Avenger 400 in action, showcasing its versatility on winding mountain roads, smooth highways, and bustling city streets. The video shifts focus to an interactive zone within the showroom. A visitor is seen putting on a virtual reality headset, embarking on a simulated ride that highlights the power and smooth handling of the Avenger 400 across various terrains. Nearby, another customer explores customization options at a digital kiosk. They experiment with different colors, accessories, and finishes, visualizing how to personalize the bike to reflect their unique style. The showroom's walls are adorned with large, framed images of motorcycles traversing breathtaking landscapes, open highways, rugged terrains, and serene coastal roads. These visuals inspire dreams of adventure and freedom, perfectly capturing the essence of the Avenger 400. The expansive glass walls of the showroom allow natural light to flood the space while offering a stunning view of the cityscape beyond. As dusk falls, the city lights create a mesmerizing backdrop, seamlessly blending the energy of urban life with the spirit of exploration. Throughout the video, visitors are seen exploring the showroom, interacting with staff members who are both knowledgeable and enthusiastic. Their passion for the Avenger 400 and the world of motorcycling is evident, adding a personal touch to the luxurious experience. Conversations fill the air as enthusiasts admire the bike, discuss its features, and imagine themselves on the open road. The camera returns to the central display, focusing once again on the Bajaj Avenger 400. Its presence dominates the room, a symbol of freedom and individuality. The narrator speaks with conviction, emphasizing that this bike is more than just a machine, it's a gateway to endless possibilities and unforgettable journeys. As the video nears its conclusion, the camera pans across the showroom one final time, capturing its elegance and energy. The Avenger 400 stands as a beacon of power and style, inviting viewers to step into a world where adventure awaits at every turn. The video ends with the showroom's logo and the tagline, Bajaj Avenger 400 for those who seek adventure, accompanied by contact details and the showroom's location.